Hey, it's Dan with SWI. Today we're going to teach you how to install a Keedex, K-B-X-S-I-M. So this is a weldable gate box for what we have here, which is a Simplex 5000. It's a keyless entry system to go through a pedestrian gate. You're going to enter your code and then it's going to grant you access, and then you can just pass right on through that gate opening. Bing, 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 bing. So we're going to put this in this gate. How do we do that?
Well, that is the problem.
How are we going to input this into the gate? Well, that's where this comes into play. So this gets welded into the gate frame. So we're going to cut this piece of the gate out, and then Nolan over here. Hold on. Check out the shirt, man. Where did you find such a fine shirt?
Old fabrication shop I worked at.
And the spinders.
Spinders, my grandpa's.
This works for you. You're rocking it. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and mark this out. We're going to weld this into the gate frame. Then we can install this. See how that works? We're going to mark it out so it's flush here. Just go ahead and kind of look down that. Yeah. We're going to go bink, bink, bink. So if I measure off of the bottom of my gate, right to my latch is 3 feet, which is also going to be to the center of my door handle. I think standard doors are anywhere from about 3 to 42. If I go to 42 inches on a 6-foot gate, what's going to happen? I'm going to miss that brace rail. You could go right there, but I'd still rather go right there just for that additional support of that brace rail. Would you agree, Nolan?
Yes.
Oh, wait. How are you going to make that latch to your post?
How?
Well, it's easy. So we are going to use this. It is not included in the kit. Hey, and if you're looking for any of this stuff that we're using today, make sure and see all the links below so that way you know where you can get it. This is a Maduk Baduhubi. Hudiba?
How about it?
Yeah. What's going to happen is the latch, oh, it's right in front of my face, sorry. Gate shuts and then gate latches into this. Strike plate will get mounted to strike plate adapter. So this will get welded to the latch post, and this will latch into this.
That's pretty simple, really.
Not that complicated.
Okay, 1 3/4. So you could use this on a 1 7/8 or 1 5/8 pipe. This frame is 1 7/8. We're gonna have just a little bit of hangover. There's gonna be like a 1/16 of an inch on each side, but by the time that weld is there, you'll never know. Just wanna let y'all know, this, made in the USA. Go us, yay! You can cut this out, Nolan, weld this in, and we can talk about it. Meet right back here.
Right back here. Stop filming.
Get up on your feet, this is a shakedown. Order up that beat just like it's takeout. Show me you got soul inside those new shoes, and you can rock and roll with an attitude. So good, so fresh, just the way.
Go on, get out of here. Come on. Go stuff your face. Dang kids. All right, so Nolan cut that out. What he did was he took a bandsaw, cut this off, cut this off, cut this off. He welded our box in there to receive our Kaba lock, keyless entry system. Now this piece, I never said we were gonna weld this in here. That was an afterthought. Let me show you why we put that in there. So what can happen is that is a little separator so that you cannot reach your little fingers through the chain link, push down on this and let yourself in. That's simply what that is for. It's a deflector. I'm gonna call it a deflector. It's an inhibitor. If this piece of metal wasn't here, I'd be able to stick my couple fingers through the chain link and pull on this and then let myself through the gate. This is just a normal piece of 4-inch wide plate steel. We cut it to the length and then welded that in. That's it for this. Now, we're not gonna fabric this gate on video because we've already done that once. And if you want to know how to fabricate a chain link gate, tips, tricks, tools that we use, make sure and see the video, which is right up here in this link.